Leaves and debris can quickly clog open rain gutters, causing poor drainage, water overflow, and costly maintenance. A gutter cover is the perfect solution to keep gutters clean and rainwater flowing smoothly. Zhongtuo Gutter Cover Roll Forming Machine, a complete production solution for manufacturing high-quality metal gutter covers with efficiency. The production line starts with automatic coil feeding and continuously forms the steel through multiple precision roll forming stations, ensuring consistent profiles, smooth surfaces, and excellent dimensional accuracy. PLC control system makes it easy to adjust speed, product length, and other parameters through a user-friendly touchscreen. To meet different market demands, Zhongtuo provides fully customized production lines, supporting a wide range of gutter cover profiles, different material specifications, and various production capacities. Installed directly on residential and commercial gutter systems, finished gutter covers effectively block leaves and debris while allowing rainwater to flow freely into the drainage channel.